Sophistication and functionality come together in the design of this picture-perfect century home in the heart of West Centertown. Upon arrival, a charming front porch sets the stage for this cottage in the city. The main level features cleverly integrated storage, so it's easy to stay organized. High ceilings, large sash windows, and beautiful hardwood floors give the home a spacious feel with plenty of natural light. A thoughtfully renovated kitchen features a large pantry and loads of counter space, so it's easy to whip up a gourmet meal. From here, direct access to the rear deck overlooking a perennial garden oasis makes it easy to enjoy quiet moments on a lovely day. The bright open-style living and dining area gives you plenty of room for family dinners and movie night. The second level presents 3 well-appointed bedrooms and a large bathroom complete with a clawfoot soaker tub, a cedar walk-in shower, and a separate laundry nook for added convenience. This home is situated in an ideal location where Chinatown and Little Italy meet, at the intersection of the LRT and the O-Train, which means getting around the city is a breeze. Just steps to great schools, parks, galleries, and some of Ottawa's best shops and restaurants. This home is a must-see. Don't miss this opportunity to live in a well-maintained home full of character and charm in a neighborhood that's hard to beat. Be sure to call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty for a private showing today.